Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Ninja 400 ABS in that awesome KRT Kawasaki race team colors. Only 3,440 miles. This bike is in showroom condition. Come on by. Make your Ninja 400 sport bike dreams come true for just $54.99. This thing is twin cylinder 400, fuel injected, liquid cooled. It's about 45 horsepower. Really a great machine for the money. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.